Alright guys, unbelievable 618 here. Everyday carry. You guys might want to know, you might not, maybe you don't give a shit, but here it is. My phone, that's what I'm recording it on. Alright. Garmin Instinct 2, I believe. Newer model. Carry that. Carry a wallet. Nothing fancy. Rock a bandana, mainly for my nose. Can use it for a face shield if there's smoke or something along the lines. Carry some handcuffs. Carry a pin light. This will be getting updated to a newer stream light. This is the Stylus Pro. There's a smaller one yet. Triple the lumens. We'll be upgrading that soon. Carry some keys. Rock a Benchmade. Tanto blade. Serrated edge. Griptalion, I believe. I don't know, I have two of these. And then, since it's warmer out, guys, I rock a Glock 42 380 right now. I got the mag extender on that one just for the easier draw. But that's what I got. If it's cold out, I'll rock a 19. It's got 15 rounders, and then I got an extra mag. I'm running Federal Premium Hydroshock. Got a leather holster in band. And yeah, that's what I'm rocking.